So ayan my dear friends, it's the time of year na naman to manifest on a Sniper 155 kasi nga meron na silang bagong addition sa kulay. And I think if you're a big fan of a black color like me, definitely ma-appreciate nyo po ang bagong labas na Yamaha Sniper 155R. Masasabi talaga natin na it's the best year to manifest. And next year na rin, Year of the Rabbit, abangan nyo ang mga ilalabas ni Yamaha. May mga bagong pakulo si Yamaha. So ayan. And if you click this one, and po, tutunog talaga siya, may sensor siya, may locator siya. So hindi nyo po mawawala yung motor nyo kung pare-pareho kayong nagra-rides with the same color. Ayan po my dear friends. Ang display ngayon ng 155R, it's much more better than before, I believe so. Yung mga materyales na makikita nyo, ayan po, mas may kalidad na unlike before. And I think that's one of the reason na in-increase nila yung price nito. Pinindot natin to, orasan, fuel economy, ayan po, fuel economy average, odometer, trip 1, trip 2, and trip F. Alright, hazard light or turn signal, ayan po makukuha natin. Temperature gauges on this part, kung lalapitan natin, ayan po, and the key sensor din sa dulo. And the neutral lighting, at least makikita mo siya. It revs up to 11,000 to 12,000 depende kung naka-tune or naka-stock po siya. DRL, nandito po ang kanyang ilaw, naka-diffuser po ang kanyang hazard light. Although it's halogen, naka-diffuser, it's beautifully done. Sa likod, ayan, R1 or R series na tail light. This is what you're getting on the brakes. Alright, isipin mo na lang si R1 na naging underbone. This is what it looks like. And ayan po yung makikita natin sa harapan. Quality in the making. The black color is well refined. And para sa akin, much more new siya pagdating sa itsura. Mas malabas yung pagiging maayos na material niya and quality na pagkakagawa ng motorsiklo dahil din sa kanyang paint job. And nakita na natin si 155 matte gray. And sa mga nagre-reklamo na matte black ba yan, matte gray ba yan, ireklamo nyo kay Yamaha, pero they still made practically a very beautiful motorcycle. And ito po yung makukuha natin with the glossy paint job and a decal that is so beautifully done. And may black siya na color dito na hindi po napintahan, black plastic lang, pero ayun, tignan mo, napaka-aggressive na pagkakagawa niya. The fender, isang material lang talaga, isang paint job, walang kahati. Bilhan na rin natin ng radiator cover kapag nakabili na tayo nito. And ito yung makikita kong naiiba siya ngayon sa old Yamaha Sniper 155R is yung kanyang caliper. Dati-dati it's a golden caliper, ngayon all black talaga siya. And I'm loving the decal over here my dear friends. And I still love these wheels right here. It's very beautifully done. Ang kanyang seat my dear friends, sporty styling. Masasabi mong hindi siya yung pinaka-comfortable, pero at least papakitaan ko kayo ng seat height reference ng isang 5-foot flat later on. I love everything about this one, the blacks and the blues. Take a look at that. Ayan po, ang ganda ng kulay niya. And may pagka-silver din po dito. Ayan. Very obvious po, ayan o, yung R niya. Fuel injection, BBA, and diasteel sticker. Ayan po yung makikita natin. And another thing to add up on the design, preload adjustable kanyang rear shock. I love this design right here. Ang ganda po ng kanyang itsura. Ayan, may pasungay na siya. And upright front suspension po tayo sa harapan. Dito naman, ito po, meron tayong 12-volt socket. Hindi po siya disusi. This is the 155R. And daluyan ng hangin yan my dear friends. And ang daming inayos ni Yamaha dito. It's not that much obvious. Pero ang pinaka-obvious na napansin ko is yung kanyang quality. Mas quality na siya ngayon. And meron siyang 121 kilograms curb weight. It's not the lightest, but it's one of the lightest and yet competitive brand na makikita mo. And ang kanyang seat height, 795mm. Tatawagin natin si Ma'am Jessica for your seat height reference. A massive shout out to Ma'am Jessie or Ma'am Jessica. She is 5 foot flat. Ma'am, baka may gusto po kayong pa-shoutout.
Shoutout nga pala sa family and friends and relatives ko sa Cabaca North Cotabato, and then sa mga schoolmates ko before sa USM Cabacan main campus.
Ayan. Ito po ang technique ng isang 5 foot flat. I'll be honest, hindi po marunong magmotor si Ma'am Jessie, sabi niya sa akin. Pero abot naman po ng isang 5 foot flat rider. Naka 1 foot nga lang and nakatingkayad. And this is what you'll be getting. Ayan po. And tignan nyo naman mabuti. Dati-dati, si 5 foot flat, kailangan mo talagang i-adjust yung sarili mo kapag uupuan mo yung motor para maupuan mo siya na maayos. Ngayon, tignan mo, may konting inch na naka-atras siya. And it's very visible and it's very relevant. Kasi nga, napakaganda na ng kanyang suspension and yung seat height niya rin, very approachable to almost all riders. Pagdating sa kanyang wheelbase, 1,250 mm. So, ayan po. Isa sa lamang niya rin sa ibang underbones out there, siya lang ata perhaps sa ngayon sa 150cc segment na mayroong sleeper clutch assist, just like the XSRs, just like the NT15s, and of course the R15. So ayan, siya yung underbone na may ganun and may dating talaga. Usually kasi pinang-racing nila to, I think it's wise for Yamaha na hindi lagyan ng ABS. Pero if there's something to add, yung tipong at least man lang bigyan nila ng ABS option ang Pilipino, kahit tataasan yung presyo, okay lang sa akin sa tingin ko yun. Magiging okay ba sa inyo? Let me know in the comment section below. Nissin disc brakes po siya, harapan at saka sa likuran. Performance, meron na siyang 155cc liquid-cooled VVA engine. Meron siyang sleeper clutch. I will keep on mentioning it. Kaya niyang pumalo ng 17.8 horsepower and 14.4 Nm of torque. Trust me, it's fast enough. And if it's not broken, why fix it, diba? 5.4 liter gas tank capacity. Kaya niya pumalo ng 46 km per liter. Pero yun nga, may nagsasabi, pwede pa rin ito pumalo ng 50 km per liter. Just the same as the Yamaha XSR 155. And ang price nito kay Motor Trade Kidapawan is 131,200 pesos only. Ang kanyang down payment here, 28,300. Ang kanyang 36 months, 5,291. And with a 200 rebate, kung magbabayad ka ng tama sa oras. Massive shoutout sa Motor Trade Region 12 B-Cluster, especially to Motor Trade Kidapawan 1. And massive shoutout as well to the store manager who approved to activate this motorcycle for me and para makita nyo, my dear friends, kung gaano kaganda yung bagong sniper na yun. Then let me know in the comment section below what you think about this motorbike, and if this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Exodus 1414 to everyone. Keep on praying, trust the process, and I'll see you in the next. Merry Christmas!